What's going on, lazy bushcrafting fans? It's myself, Owen. Today I am at Fahnestock State Park in New York State. This is Pelton Pond. It's only a 1.5 mile loop, I believe. Not very far, not very hard. There's a lot of snow. I'm with my sister Anita over there. Whoa, wait, where'd she go? She's over there, somewhere, right there. And we're just gonna do a nice little hike for the day, just to kind of stretch the, it's slippery here, stretch the legs and get some fresh air. So this is it. It's 1.5 miles, Pelton Pond Nature Trail at Fahnestock, Clarence Fahnestock State Park in New York. Hope you guys enjoy this short video. Leave a thumbs up, like, I don't know, do something so you can get more of these videos. Anyways, I'm out of here. Maybe I'll hit up another trail, maybe not. We'll see you later.